What's the meaning of corollary? Corollary. Corollary.
Corollary. Corollary. Corollary refers to a conclusion or consequence that logically follows from a previous statement or argument. In essence, it is a result that can be deduced from something that has been stated or proven before. For example, if A implies B and B implies C, then the corollary is that A implies C. Corollaries are often used in scientific, mathematical, and philosophical contexts, where they help to clarify the implications and consequences of theories and arguments. They are an essential tool for deriving new knowledge from existing information.